Nisha, what's in your cup? What's in your cup?
Pencil and ball.
Where's the necklace?
Right here.
Oh, you took the necklace out? Niam, who are you?
Superman.
Superman?
Yeah, well, Nisha messed up my thing, and I can't do it again.
Nisha, are you a princess?
Yeah, I'm princess.
Which princess are you?
I'm Cinderella.
You're Cinderella?
Yeah, Cinderella.
Who's your favorite princess?
Snow White.
Snow White?
Yeah, Snow White.
I thought Ariel was your favorite princess.
Your favorite princess, Cinderella.
Oh yeah? Can you count to 20?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20.
Yay! What you doing, Wanzi? Niam, ready. Why are you in a daze? Where'd you go today, Niam? Did you go to the pumpkin patch?
I go for pumpkin patch.
You went to the pumpkin patch?
Yeah, pumpkin patch.
It was fun?
Yeah, friend. I get
What happened, Niam? You got an owie issue?
Yeah.
Why?
Because I'll get Ellie it's pumpkin patch.
You got an owie at the pumpkin patch?
Yeah.
Did you ride on a school bus?
Yeah.
Niam, did you ride on a school bus today? Why are you saying Are you being silly? Mr. Wanzi?
I'm silly.
You're silly?
You're silly.
Huh?
Mm.
No, no.
No.
Ayayu.
I love you too, Daddy.
Oh, thank you, Nishu. Welcome. Wanzi, what are you doing?
Oh, hello. I'm not doing anything.
Why? Why are you in a bad mood?
Anna.
Anna Superman.